Hello YouTube friends, it's me, Jonah, and today I'll show you my portable pig roaster, where I make my delicious pig roast, or lechon. Okay guys, let's go to the backyard, take a look at my roaster. So here I am in my backyard. Let's take a closer look at my roaster. So if you're new to my channel and you find my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also leave a comment if you have any questions you'd like to ask. And I'd like to give a shout out to my nephew Kevin. He helped me weld this roaster together. As a matter of fact, he did most of the welding. I'm a terrible welder. So this roaster is made of 2 barrels. Now just remember, this is not an oil barrel. This is food grade barrel. These type of barrels, they hold beans, rice, etc. Many types of dehydrated food. But because many of these steel drums have this special red coating inside the barrel, you should burn it out first, since that red special coating may give out toxins. And you can check out this YouTube channel called Safety Optional. These guys can show you how. So notice the weld marks here, where we cut and welded both barrels together, which gave me a total length of 55 inches. And on top of the cover, you'll see a weld mark right here also. And I bolted one big handle for the cover for easy access. Then bolted 2 hinges on each side of the cover. Then I bolted 2 chains on each side of the cover and attached it to the body. This prevents the cover from flipping all the way to the back. This gives better access to easily grab the handle and close the roaster. I also positioned 2 spacing bars on each side of the cover. And that's because I don't fully close the roaster when I'm roasting the pig. I always want to keep an eye on the lechon. You never want to take your eyes away from it. But this keeps the cover 3/4 closed. Therefore, it keeps the heat in a circular motion around the lechon, giving it constant heat distribution throughout. And notice the steel legs I have for this roaster. It's cut 1/3 and welded to the body of the barrel. These were old steel legs I bought from IKEA years ago that I was supposed to make a table out of, but I didn't. Now I made full use of it. Then I welded a cross member to each side of the legs and welded the center to the body. Notice the weld marks. Not the best, but it works. And I did the same thing to the other side. But as you can see, I also welded 2 wheels. This makes the roaster super portable, and I can easily move it anywhere in the backyard at a moment's notice. I also bolted one handle on this end of the roaster and on the other side of the roaster, again for easy positioning around the yard. Notice the positioning of my grill has plenty of room underneath for air to come through and for charcoal and dust to disintegrate and easily collect. Also, the grill is held by 4 hooks. This makes it easy for me to clean the grill and take out the grill and also empty all the dust and charcoal remains. And to clean out all the charcoal debris, I usually take a dustpan and sweep it out. Then I'll take the shop vac to finish it off. And notice I've drilled a few holes around the body, 3 holes on each side. Fire needs plenty of air to breathe. And 7 more holes each at the front and back of the roaster. And I got a plywood 9 inches by 24 inches that's bolted onto the frame, and the frame welded onto the legs. Now let's take a look at my stainless steel pole. It's 70 inches long with an 8.5 inch removable wooden tip. Notice I've got holes positioned in my poles. So depending on the size of the pig, I would adjust the bolts front and back. These will be the positions where the front leg and the back leg of the pig will be tied down. And so this bolt will hold down the back legs, and this bolt will hold down the front legs. Then attach the motor with a chain through the sprockets. And on each side of the roaster, I cut out half a circle, about 2 inches in diameter, where my stainless steel pole will be sitting on. And notice, I've got some rust spots around the pig roaster. I'll be cleaning it up pretty soon and spray painting a heat-resistant paint. And I'll be good as new once again. So if you liked my video and found it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching, and happy Lechon!